Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So I've come again here in the YouTube video for doing for uploading one video such as in English, or you can say this is kind of new blog which I'm uploading, and I do have a habit of uploading multiple videos on YouTube, and that is how I am trying to be an English teacher and along with that YouTuber as well. So yeah, I just come across one thing which is very important. It is never waste your time, whether you are working or you are doing something, because that is one of the most important thing. And there is like very empty currently, because there is very not lots of people are walking, because today is holiday, and most of the people enjoy their life with their family. And so yeah, corporates, there is nothing like celebration. And so yeah, you need to admit it, and the more early you admit it, so the better you are going to perform in your life. So yeah, so this place is very quite famous because that is nearest to metro station. And if you find out like Monday to Friday, there is lot of people who are coming from across, like from the border. And so yeah, I've seen people who are coming from very far from these places such as Delhi, and there is other cities of Haryana. So people are coming and work there and work here basically. And so yeah, that is a very good place for working and like learning new things, because there is lot of startups who are running, and they are trying to build a huge businesses. And so for that, they are buying some sort of places and just try to basically impress talent. And so yeah, that's why a lot of people coming, and they left their family to work here. And that is very interesting, because lots of people want to learn and grow themselves by working here. And so I've also able to improve and basically learn a lot of things by getting multiple customers, and basically to interact with customers. That is one of the most important thing. And if you know that, so you can basically easily understand like what he wants. That is one of the most important thing in any business. If you know the customer needs, so like rest 80% of problem is you have like basically admit it. Basically you can understand that and you can resolve it 80% of the time. Just understand that what he wants. So that is all things I got the knowledge from the startups and like big MNCs as well. So I've worked multiple organizations. So yeah, that is a eye-opening things for me as well. So I think that is it. I just want to make this video at least for 4 to 5 minutes. And so I'm like ending this vlog, and just I'm adding some sort of clips so you can enjoy that as well. Bye bye.